setting up a new administration. Warren Hastings, Governor-General from 1773 to 1785, was one of the many important figures who played a significant role in the expansion of the company power. By his time, the company had acquired power not only in Bengal but also in Bombay and Madras. British territories were broadly divided into administrative units called presidencies. There were 3 presidencies: Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. Each was ruled by a governor. The supreme head of the administration was the Governor-General. Warren Hastings, the first Governor-General, introduced several administrative reforms, notably in the sphere of justice. From 1772, a new system of justice was established. Each district was to have 2 courts: a criminal court or Faujdari Adalat and a civil court or Diwani Adalat. Maulvis and Hindu Pandits interpreted Indian laws for the European district collectors who presided over civil courts. The criminal courts were still under a Qazi and a Mufti, but under the supervision of the collectors. A major problem was that the Brahmin Pandits were given different interpretations of local laws based on different schools of the Dharma Shastra. To bring about uniformity, in 1775, 11 Pandits were asked to compile a digest of Hindu laws. N.B. Hall had translated this digest into English. By 1778, a code of Muslim laws was also compiled for the benefit of European judges. Under the Regulating Act of 1773, a new Supreme Court was established, while a Court of Appeal, the Sadar Nizamat Adalat, was also set up at Calcutta. The principal figure in an Indian district was the collector. As the title suggests, his main job was to collect revenue and taxes and maintain law and order in his district with the help of judges, police officers, and darogas. His office, the Collectorate, became the new center of power and patronage that steadily replaced the previous holders of authority.